The father of Orlando Pirates rising star Relebohile Mofokeng has made a passionate plea for his son to take the next big step in his football career, leaving South Africa for the European stage. In an exclusive interview with Itiske Time, Sechaba Mofokeng revealed that the mounting interest in his 20-year-old son has reached overwhelming levels and said everyone calling, "Sometimes I can't even eat. The phone won't stop, but we are not rushing. We are praying. It's about timing and readiness." The proud father believes Mofokeng has nothing left to prove in the Premier Soccer League, PSL, and is ready for the challenge of playing at the highest level. And said, "Why can't you go? He's done what was needed here. Now let him challenge himself again. New league, new people, new pressure. He can play anywhere, even for Barcelona or Real Madrid." Brimming with belief in his son's talent. While European giants may not have come knocking just yet, interest in the young forwards continue to grow, with clubs such as Maccabi Tel Aviv and Maccabi Haifa in Israel reportedly monitoring his progress. Sechaba is adamant, however, that any move to Saudi Arabia, often seen as a lucrative debtor for young players, will not be the right decision at the stage of Mofokeng's career, and said, "I want to see him in Europe, not Saudi Arabia. He needs to be tested at the top, not just earn big money." Calls for Mofokeng's departure have intensified following remarks by former Mamelodi Sundowns defender Benson Hlongo, who warned about dangers of bad company within the PSL. Hlongo suggested that a move abroad could shield the young star from negative influences, including the so-called slay queen culture that has derailed the careers of many promising talents. Despite the noise surrounding his future, Mofokeng is expected to join Orlando Pirates for their pre-season tour in Marbella, Spain. For now, fans of the Buccaneers must wait with bated breath to see whether their gem will remain at home or embark on a journey to test his skills on foreign soil. Either way, the message from his father is loud and clear. Relebohile Mofokeng is ready. The world just needs to give him a chance.
Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.